Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of Airbnb messages. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on your screen you can see options like explore wish lists, trips, messages and profile at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the messages at the bottom right corner. There you can find the messages from Airbnb. All you have to do is tap on that message and slide it to the left. And guys, that's it. That's how you get rid of Airbnb messages in Airbnb app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.